The 1980 Summer Olympics, officially known as the Games of the 22nd Olympiad, were an international multi-sport event held in Moscow, Russian SFSR, Soviet Union from the 19th of July to the 3rd of August. A total of 5,179 athletes representing 18 national Olympic committees participated in 203 events from 22 different sports and disciplines. They were the first games to be staged in a communist nation. 64 countries participated in a boycott against these games as a protest against the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. Athletes from 15 of those countries still competed, albeit without official support or against opposition from the governments. In the opening ceremony, they marched under the Olympic flag, which was also used with the Olympic medal ceremonies to replace the respective national flags and anthems. One country, New Zealand, competed under the flag of their association, the NZOCGA. Some of the teams who marched under flags other than the national flags were depleted by boycotts by individual athletes, and others did not march at all. The United States in particular did not allow any athletes to compete on pain of having the passports revoked, making this the only games where they did not win a single medal. Of the 80 participating nations, the smallest number since 1956, 8 nations made the first appearance at this Games: Angola, Botswana, Cyprus, Laos, Mozambique, Nicaragua, and Seychelles. None of these nations won a medal, whilst competitors from 36 countries became Olympic medalists. The great majority of the medals were taken by the host country and East Germany in what was the most skewed medal tally since 1904. Despite only being invited to compete 5 weeks prior to the opening ceremony, Zimbabwe won a surprise gold medal in the new Olympic sport of women's field hockey. The Soviet Union's Alexander Ditchwitin became the first athlete to win 8 medals at a single games, with 3 gold, 4 silver and a bronze medal. In rowing, the winners of both the gold and silver medals in the coxless pairs were identical twins. Tanzania and Guyana won the first ever Olympic medals. Medal table. The medal table is based on information provided by the International Olympic Committee and is consistent with IOC convention in its published medal tables. By default, the table is ordered by the number of gold medals the athletes from a nation have won. The number of silver medals is taken into consideration next, and then the number of bronze medals. If nations are still tied, equal ranking is given and they're listed alphabetically. In boxing and judo, 2 bronze medals were awarded in each weight class. Therefore, the total number of bronze medals is greater than the total number of gold or silver medals. Host country first ever gold medal.